Were you the one driving it?
No.
You weren't driving it?
No.
Okay. Who was driving you?
A friend of mine.
A friend of yours? He's in the casino now?
Yeah.
We'll see that on the camera. I can go talk to him. Everything will be good. All right? What's that?
Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. On this channel, we take a look at police interaction videos and discuss our constitutional rights. Today's video raises a question that we, the viewers, must ask ourselves. Why are laws created if those sworn to enforce them repeatedly break them without similar consequences than the public? This is a question that resonates in cases like that of Sheriff Nicholas Cocchi, arrested for operating under the influence. Time and time again, incidents like this spark outrage as law enforcement officers seem to receive more lenient treatment than the public would in similar circumstances. It's not just about breaking the law, it's about the erosion of trust when accountability appears selective. How can communities expect respect for laws when their enforcers often act above them? Let's check out this interaction and break it down.
How you doing, Sheriff?
Good, very good.
Good. Hi, Lieutenant Corey Mackey. What's that? Who's busting what?
They changed his tire.
Okay. Just to let you know, we came down to this.
Yeah.
We are recording, just so you know.
Yeah.
What happened?
I was coming around the corner, I popped the tire.
Do you know where? We're trying to,
right
we were
here.
looking to see where you were in the casino and everything, and
It's all good.
it's all good?
Change his tire.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, the problem is, hang on for a second. Were you the one driving it?
No.
You weren't driving it?
No.
Okay. Who was driving you?
A friend of mine.
A friend of yours? He's in the casino now?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see that too. All right, but I need you to stay here for a second. All right, sir. None of us wants to be involved in this. All right, but I can
Okay.
smell alcohol coming from your breath.
100%.
I've got this right here.
Yeah.
Everything's on camera. I got to take it by the numbers.
Change the tire.
I got to take it by the numbers. We're going to review if your friend in there was driving, as you say. We'll see that on the camera. I can go talk to him. Everything will be good. All right. What's that? Okay. All right, sit tight. All right. Yeah, that's fine.
I got him right. It's a good guy. It's a good guy.
Once you're off the phone, I'm waiting for a few more people to get here, and we'll talk it through. Okay, I'm just waiting for the field OIC to come down. All right. Once the field OIC is down here, we'll talk it through. Okay.
Seriously? Okay. I'll tell you what. Leave the car here. Leave it.
Nope, sir. Sir, I'm going to ask you to stay here. Stay put. All right.
Why?
Till we figure this out. Because based on what I'm seeing here
Yeah.
and smelling alcohol in your breath, I'm going to have to do an investigation through this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And if everything is fine, you know, if it
Yeah.
determines that there's no
Change the tire.
No, he's not changing the tire right now.
Let me tell you
Absolutely not.
something. You can change the tire.
He's not changing the tire yet.
Yeah. Okay. Want to go down the road, huh? Okay.
I want to take everything right by the numbers. Okay. By the numbers and by the book, sir.
That's what we do.
That's correct.
Yeah.
All right. And if at the end of it everything is good,
Stop turning towards me.
oh, sir, just stand over here for me, all right? Please.
I'm going to go back in the fucking...
No, you're not going back in the casino. All right, sir. Sir, I understand you are the sheriff. I respect that immensely. Mm-hmm. But right now I'm conducting an investigation, okay? I need you to stay here and follow the directions,
100%.
okay? All right?
You can't pop the tire, huh?
What's that?
You can't pop a tire.
You're not going to be able to put a tire on that rim anyways. That rim is completely and utterly destroyed.
I got my guy.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Where, do you know where you ran
Yes, I
something
do.
over? Where was it?
Right up on the corner. And I took the turn.
Took the turn into here?
Yeah.
Okay. There looks like there's a plant on there. Was there a plant that
Might have been.
might have been?
I don't know.
But that's where it was. So the remnants of the tire should be
Yep.
down. Should be down
I
that
don't
way. You don't
I have
know?
no idea.
Okay. Can I ask you where you're coming from today?
Springfield Country Club.
Springfield Country Club.
Yeah.
All right. The golf tournament.
No.
No, we're just there.
Was there playing golf?
We're there playing golf. Okay.
Yeah. What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for another one of my supervisors so we can have two people here, okay?
Good.
All right. That way everything's
No, it's
recorded,
all-
everything's
it's all good.
inspected,
It's all
everything's
good.
going to be
It's
nice
all
and
good.
easy,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
sir?
it's all good.
All right. Officer Cotto. Can you head down to the corner at East Columbus and just see if there's any remnants of the tire there at all? That's where you were and there was nothing there?
The right may not be.
May not be where you hit it?
Okay. I swear I hit it, but
Okay. Did you, after turning in here and hitting it, did you drive anywhere else where you could find the
No.
tire?
no.
No? Okay, I'm just saying, the tire should be somewhere between
so
where
go
that was
look.
hit and here.
Yeah,
Okay.
go look.
Can you just do me a favor one more time? Just walk down there and then walk the whole way back
Okay.
to see if we can find the tire. Appreciate your understanding.
You're a good man.
I appreciate your understanding.
Yeah.
Someone coming over from Detention.
Memorial. Just seen it. Do it.
Okay. We're going to take a walk over where we're a little bit out of sight. Okay? No? How much you had to drink tonight, sir? Couple beers?
Yeah. Keep recording me. We're not going nowhere.
Okay. I'd like to ask you to do field sobriety.
Nope, not gonna happen.
Not going to happen?
I'm not driving. Yeah. Feel sobriety for what?
Well, you drove in.
That was a long time ago. What's up, Nikki? I'm by my car. Nope.
Sir, when you went into the casino, did you have any drinks in the casino?
Negative.
You did not have any drinks in the casino? Because that's what we're waiting on right now. We're trying to figure out if you went in and had anything
I
inside.
had zero.
You had nothing inside, so anything was at the golf course?
Yep.
Okay. And sir, it was from East Columbus onto MGM Way where you think you hit that?
I think so.
All right, sir, can you come over here? I want to talk to you a little bit more. All right? I'd like you, I'm going to be very straightforward with you. All right? You came from East Columbus, you turned in here, we can't find the tire.
Okay.
That's fine. There's clear indications that that rim is pretty destroyed.
Yeah, okay.
Okay? You got here about 6:40 something, 6:45, so maybe 25 minutes before you and I started interacting, somewhere around a half hour. All right? You've got clear indications of alcohol consumption.
100%.
All right?
And a
I
couple
can tell that
drinks.
you've admitted to alcohol consumption. You've got your speech is a little bit slurred. All right? I can smell it coming off your breath. I can see the redness in your eyes. I'd ask you to, I'm going to ask you a second time if you will perform field sobriety so I can determine if you are safe
Not gonna
to
happen.
drive. Okay? I have a PBT that can sort this out right now.
Not going to happen.
Okay? So you're going to refuse field sobriety.
Yep.
All right? You're not going to take the BBT.
Yep.
You admit to alcohol consumption. All right?
A little bit.
Driving. Okay?
No, well,
Okay?
if that's what you're
All right? Well,
going
then
to assume.
Then at that point, your wallet's inside the car. We're going to go ahead and grab that for you. Okay? All right? Officer, can you just sit with him for a minute? I'll take him in my cruiser. All right? So this is your wallet right here. All right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in your pocket so you have it with you. All right? When we get to the barracks. Is there a phone somewhere that you'd like to bring?
In my pocket, yeah.
In your pocket? All right. Can I put this tin in your vehicle so we don't have to take it? All right, so you got your wallet over here. This is your phone right in the back. All right, this is just a golf tee. I'm going to put that right in here as well. Okay. All right, we're going to walk down to my unmarked. Sergeant, I'm going to have you come with me as well. All right.
Stay at the towing, just let him fix it.
No, if they're able to fix it,
Okay.
we don't need to tow a county vehicle. If he's able to fix it and we can get somebody who is properly
Yes, sir.
can drive it. All right, the keys are inside there. Sit with him for a sec. Sir, the keys are right in the middle. There's also a $50 bill. Do you want me to leave that in there?
Yeah.
Or do you want it with you? You're comfortable. Who do you want to take possession of that vehicle? Is it okay?
Yep.
That gentleman right there works
Yes,
for you?
it is.
He does? And they can arrange for
Yep.
someone to take it?
Yep.
That's fine. We can get out of here properly. That's fine.
I take full responsibility for what happened this past Saturday.
Hampden County Sheriff Nick Cocchi's comments about Saturday take us to West Springfield. In the police report, it details Cocchi left the Springfield Country Club in his state-issued white Ford Explorer and made his way to MGM Springfield just miles away. Minutes after 7 o'clock that night, the sheriff was at the Springfield Casino, his damaged car found with the engine running in the valet area of the parking garage. Cocchi wasn't there, but state police with the gaming enforcement unit were.
Do you think that the state police officers or troopers acted accordingly? Did they do their jobs?
Absolutely. I think during this whole process, you have never heard me once utter a word about any agency for doing their job. That's what they're there to do. I believe, ultimately, the only person to blame for that incident on that night is Nick Cocchi, and that's why I've taken full responsibility for it.
A mistake that would lead to his arrest and eventually in court, the suspension of his license and agreement to attend a driver's education course. He also paid nearly $2,500 to repair damage to the state vehicle he was driving. Still, though, the sheriff says he's under no illusions that he failed himself and those he serves on that day back in late September. And he's not looking for or expecting special treatment, saying he shouldn't be and wasn't treated differently than anybody else.
You don't blame others. You don't point fingers. You put your hand up and take responsibility. And you be the person that you hope, after 32 years as a correctional professional and 8 years as a sheriff of this great county, that people know me to be.
I find it baffling that a sheriff who is sworn to uphold the law can crash a department vehicle while intoxicated and lie to cops on body camera and still be allowed to keep his job in law enforcement. I get that people make mistakes, but this particular person just happened to be in law enforcement, meaning he understands the scope of the situation and should be held to a higher standard. If Cocchi really wanted to take accountability and responsibility, he would resign from his position. Better yet, if the department wanted to display true accountability, they would fire him. But this should be yet another reminder that there is no true justice in the system if those who enforce the laws get better treatment than the rest of the public when they choose not to follow the law. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out.
San Joaquin, San Joaquin. Yeah. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give 'em no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rollin', no stopping. They don't know now, we gon' teach them everything. About my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros. Telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the crew. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Ooh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over for? This is public property. You not even